The line features a high-speed PET bottle blow molding machine. Next, bottles move seamlessly into the washing, filling, and capping 3-in-1 monoblock, guaranteeing hygienic and precise filling. Equipped with advanced juice filling valves, the system achieves accurate dosing while maintaining product quality. King Machine successfully delivered and installed a state-of-the-art 12,000 bottles per hour juice production line for a leading beverage company in Dakar, Senegal. This advanced line is dedicated to producing JUKO brand bottled juice drinks, a popular product loved by local consumers for its refreshing taste and vibrant flavors. An automatic labeling system applies JUKO's colorful designs, making each bottle stand out on the shelf. Finally, modern packaging solutions ensure that the finished products are ready for efficient distribution across Senegal and beyond. With this turnkey solution, King Machine has once again proven its commitment to delivering efficient, reliable, and innovative beverage solutions worldwide. Today, JUKO brand bottled juice drinks are produced at a rate of 12,000 bottles per hour, strengthening the company's presence in the Senegalese beverage market. King Machine is proud to support its partners in bringing high-quality beverages to millions of consumers.